Well, for all the watchers and the listeners, welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. We about to get in. Shout out to we got J Rod on the call, J Millie, Israel. Like, subscribe, and all that cool stuff they say on YouTube. Yes, sir. We gonna get into it. My Millie said, "Hey, I just, I had, go ahead and tell you, thank you, Millie, because Cookie abuse a nigga if you let her."
Oh my God, that buy was so beautiful. I got a little bit of NJ too.
Yeah, I got smacked. I got boots out my head.
I was gonna say something, but I didn't want to have that back and forth with you.
Nah.
I was like, you know what? He just got to learn.
This right here was my out. This was my out, and then this pulled back the next day. Because once this closed above this, I was like, yeah, I think it's just gonna shoot up. This bullish engulfing, and then this closed above. I was like, all right, let me just go ahead. Well, that's what happened on NZD JPY, not CAD. I've been waiting on CAD to break. With NZD JPY, the same thing happened. I've been moving my daily and 1 hour high up, but right here I think this was the break.
Mm-hmm.
I think this was the break right here that took us out. Yep. Got weekly close bullish. I don't know what. Yeah, something to do with this. I'm just waiting on it to turn around. We need a daily conversation though. All this stuff gonna fall eventually. Like this.
It is.
I want to see 94 something eventually. Waiting on the confirmation on that. It's not really nothing. It gotta hit 96.08, then they gotta come down here eventually. But yeah, that thing bullish. Same thing. I wish we were still holding this ACAD from like 2 months ago.
You know who's still holding it?
You are?
Yes. I looked on my hero account. My nigga, I am up there. Matter of fact, let me look real quick. Because that shit, so I have it on my hero. I don't really pay attention to my hero account, right? And I'm only trading, I was only trading 2 pairs. It obviously hit my gold goal already, but I forgot that I put my stop and profit on ACAT and I took the TP off.
Well, you know what's crazy?
And I got one position that's still going. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you where it's at. Give me 1 second. I gotta go into that.
Tell me what lot size you got on it.
I'm gonna tell you too. Hold on. That shit is crazy.
We bought this literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Top of the year. We bought this at the top of the year. This was we bought here. It's been buying for 4 months straight. So
yeah. Hold on, let me look at her real quick because that shit had me. I was like,
yeah, because I took profit on this green line, and then I was waiting on price to come back here.
Okay, I'm in profit. Y'all ready to hear how much I'm in profit? I'm in profit $1,405.70.
What's your entry?
I'm gonna tell you in a second. Hold on, read. Oh, I thought I just had 1 entry. I have 4 entries. Hold on.
Nigga,
yeah, I have 1 entry at 0.89711. That's the 0.5. I have the one at 0.90396. That's a 0.15. I have one at 0.90396. Again, that's another 0.5, and I have one at 0.90000 at a 0.15.
You all up in that area?
Yeah.
All up in here.
I'm all up in there. That's where we got it at.
Yeah, that was cool. That was cool right there. That's good game.
Yeah, I forgot I was holding it, so I logged in on it on. Remember I told you on Friday. I said, let me just look at the market and see if I can get into something. So I opened up my Sway account. I opened up my Hero account, and I opened up my CoinX account, and I was like, why is numbers still moving on Hero? Like, I was very confused. And then when I opened it, I said, oh shit, I'm still in the trade. And I said, I'm still buying ACAT. And I just left it. I closed. After that, I said, I'm not trading nothing in this account. I'm closing that. And let me look at the other two accounts. And then in Sway, I got in on AJ. And in CoinX, I got in on AJ too. But I set my TP for 108.547. It obviously smacked that. And so I was out of it on CoinX. But on Sway, let me go into that account.
Let's go.
Hold on.
The crazy thing is, this was our entry here. We called this out. That's it. That was nice.
So yeah, so then on my Sway account, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 entries on AJ. And where I got in for real is at 108.199. I'm mad because at some point there was some news, I think at 10:30 in the morning, and it went all the way down to 107.9 something. And I could have got in again, but I wasn't paying attention. It didn't matter though, because after it did that dip, it shot the fuck up. And I'm in profit still. I was gonna close it over the weekend, but I'm like, usually when it starts to sell before market close on Friday, it's gonna open with a buy on Sunday. So I just left it, stopped some profit, left it, and about to see what it do.
Yeah. That's good shit. Let's see, the cool thing is, I guess it's cool to have like have an account where you just not really focus on it. Cause sometimes I created a swing account about 2 weeks ago. And I just let it go. No stop loss, no nothing. I just let it ride. Especially but only when I see something that I want to swing. But yeah, that's good shit, Cook.
Yeah, I didn't even plan on swinging ACAT. You know, that's not my pair. That's your pair.
You're welcome.
Yo, that is definitely your pair. I just was like, oh snap, I'm still in it.
I think we're gonna get
profit
on this ECAT right here. This is a weekly area. I like this area, but being on the daily too, it looks good too. It's a little sneaky. I think there's a little sneaky gap right here. If I'm tripping, sneaky gap. It might spike. As long as it don't close above, I think here we'll be fine. It might spike up and close down, but I mean the markup played out. I didn't get in the buy, but I was waiting on this for the sale. I did buy off this.
Okay. No, I see. I mean, it could do that, or it can continue
immediately, but I think it might just spike up and come back down.
It closed so bullish, like.
Yeah, but it gapped up too. I mean, had the trend at the top and the trend at the bottom.
I don't know, bro. I see it going to that line you got up at the top.
Yeah,
like the boxes you got.
I mean, but either way,
the dark gray box. I see it going in.
I know what you're saying.
Oh, that looked like an inverted head and shoulder.
Yeah.
I see it. It was one right here too.
No, but look at the big one.
Yeah, I'm looking at the big one because it might even go all the way up to that light.
Your cursor is on the other shoulder. If you go down, that's the head, and then you have the other shoulder.
Yeah.
No, I get it. It's flagging right now, though. It's a flagpole for sure.
Yeah, the flagpole is the shoulder.
Yep. He's doing his thing. So regardless, we get a breakout on.
So I like for a flagpole, I kind of feel like it needs to either point down or point up, and like right now, it's just like
it's flat.
Yeah, like if it was pointing down, if your tip was pointing down, it's gonna go up, right? If the tip was pointing up, it's gonna go down. So it's kind of like an indecisive flagpole for me.
But it's cool.
I see what you're talking about.
Regardless of which way it goes, we can capitalize. Once it breaks, even if it breaks up, we get in on this retest off of the flag for the continuation to the bullish or the bearish side. Like even no matter which one, we get in on the retest and the continuation. So we're not gonna get in until it breaks because it's gonna break out of this for sure. And this is the weekly time frame, so you know. So either way, I would just wait on the break outside the flag and then get in on the retest just to be safe. Like that would be the what's that word? The safe entry. Wait on the break for out the flag and then get in on the retest off the trend. That's the safest play. I mean, you can get in now or whatever you want to do, but I will have to wait on the break outside of this. So I'll set some alerts like above here and below here. And once we get that break, we'll wait on the retest. I think I need some new alerts too. These things are expensive these days. TradeView. Let's see, put it about right here. But I feel y'all though. Like I see what y'all saying. Like right here. Shoulder, head. This could be the other shoulder. It may come back down here, but this is a nice break right here. Yeah, this gonna do something special because when it break out of this flag, it's gonna. I'm mad at the bullish or bearish. I just want to catch the play. But that's the safe play in my opinion. On EK. What EA? What's your pair, Millie?
I haven't been looking at EA, but I said I was gonna start. I remember I caught that one trade that bust on EA. Haven't really looked back at it since. Is that what you're pulling up right now?
Yeah, this EA. I was waiting on EA to come up. This is the weekly. I think it probably shoot up some more, but it looked good. It looked like it kind of played out. It came and touched our little zone, and my alert didn't go off. The alert did not go off, which sucks. But that's a nice break. Where we were the same thing with the other pair when we was like, we want to see it break and retest. It broke. It broke this green zone right here,
Mm-hmm.
and it retested, and it's been respecting this level. So I want to see it come down here, but it might spike up first. But right now, it's playing out. It didn't hit my alert like I would have wanted it to, but it definitely kind of respecting that level. It might push up before it push back down, but I do want to see it come down here though to about 159.50 area, 159.500. But that's not too far though from where it's at right now. It might
So
just be.
I think we can get a play like back into maybe 1.611 area.
For the short,
Yeah.
1.611. That's 117.
Yeah, so I did 1153 because that's where like the order block is on the 4 hour.
Yeah, 1153. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see.
Yeah, y'all go trade any currency pairs I do not look at.
See you, Millie.
What?
I see that. I ain't mad at that. That's nice.
I'm done.
No, I know it's right off the order block. I was on the daily, so when I seen it, but shit,
Yeah, so I went to the 4 hour.
right. I like both these songs though. I like this one too. And along with the one you just said. Oh shit. I'm loving it. Here we go. One of these, we might as well just do this. One of them going right there. But that, I think that area, I agree with you. Respect that for sure. But I see the 4-hour order block. It's two of them right there too. It's one right here. Well, golf and right here. What you said, Millie. Excuse me. But yeah, I see that. I'm gonna set an alert right there. Hopefully I got some. Let's go. That's EA. Let me look at some shit Cookie don't like. Hold on, let me look at EG.
Oh, I hate that fucking thing. I don't understand why you trade that shit.
But guess that buy, it bought. It came to fill the gap up. It did what we wanted to do. It didn't hit our third TP, but it definitely hit the first two. This was the last take profit.
I see it going. I see it going up there to get it before it come down.
You think it'll buy off this area here?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that is a nice break. Like, hey, let's see if we can find the zone. See what this weekly look like. And the weekly bear, that thing dropped all last week. It balled up. Yeah, this thing might buy up the rest of the year, though, to be honest. I really want it to come all the way down here. But here's another flagpole. Is this doing what you like, Miss? On this flag. This thing is flagging. Here, up in here. And it's going down, I would say.
But like the whole thing's not going down though. Like if you draw your trend lines, yeah, like look at you forcing that trend line.
Yeah, that was a force.
Went to the high. The previous.
Well, do it from that wick up there. Then.
You talking about here?
No, look.
No, the far left.
To your left.
I know I don't like the wicks. I use the body, but I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so that that may be.
Yeah, fuck that.
And I see the trend is like spikes up, then it comes down. Spikes up. Look at all these wicks. Yeah, there's three spikes.
It's
spike
mad.
Came down. Spike came down. Spike came down.
That's too wiki for me. I don't like it.
It's the monthly. It's the monthly. Of course, it's gonna look like that.
I mean, it don't gotta look like that though.
It don't have to look like that, but it's definitely wiki.
But it's now I definitely see the downward trend. What time frame you on now?
Yeah, but if the flag points down, it should shoot up.
Yeah.
Right.
So like if this low don't break this other low, then I would expect it to continue buying.
This is the low,
unless it's gonna grab liquidity down there because it looks like there's a gap from July 16.
Yeah.
I agree.
I like that.
I don't know.
That's a nice little style before you buy it up.
What is it? J? Oh, E.
EG?
EG, yeah.
I hate those pairs.
Yeah,
y'all let me know how it works out for y'all. Y'all let me know how it works out for y'all to sell to the buy.
This a whole lot of room. Like,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I don't like it.
That's
what is that? 50-something pips?
Yeah, that's like it looked like it's about 500-600.
A slow moving pair too, right?
Yeah, but it's spiky. This mug will go shoot up 100 pips and come back down when it feel like it.
Yes. Central banks.
I don't want no spiky in my life.
I don't want no spiky in my life. But what we
I don't want that spiky in my life. It's funny.
No, but to be honest, like that
I don't want that
yeah, that
spiky
gap
in my
right there
life.
would be nice to put a entry to play around and just put it like a 25% off, like in the gap, like 25% in the bottom, then
Mm.
150% and 175% of the gaps inside. Um, just to see if it spikes up and activates, and then it goes back to buying back up.
feel that. Feel that. I agree. I feel like long as it respects this level here, it'll be all right. But I want to see a break. They gotta take out this low, this previous low for me. And that's still a long way.
Wait, but this is a range from 2017. Yo, this is serious. Whoa.
You gotta drop 100 some pips. Yeah, I was looking at it to get on cookie nerves. But it did buy up off our zone. It spiked out a little bit and then it bought up nice.
Yep.
But if we would have just
I like your green box.
Oh, let's go, Josh.
That's a new voice. That's
Oh,
a new voice.
That's the
What's
boy.
up? I've been quiet. I've been listening.
Is that Jay Alvarez?
I've
Talk
been
to
listening.
Yo.
We having a little reunion on here, huh?
What's up? What's
Shout
up,
out
fam?
to me.
Yeah.
Shout out to me.
Okay.
Leave it to Cookie to take all the credit. Look, when we make millions, Cookie gonna be like, it's all because of me.
Shout out to me.
I did this shit.
Thank you, Cookie.
Y'all rich because of me.
I told y'all when I get rich, I want my friends to not be rich. Everybody got to be rich together.
Damn right.
Amen. Big swing song.
Facts.
I receive absolutely 1,000,000,000%.
I'll be back. I'm doing laundry.
He's I'm doing laundry.
Yeah, Pop.
Cookie gonna be the person. Like, oh, remember that one time you caught like 300 pips because of me? Run me my bag. Run me your bag.
Run me my bag. I think this will do something like this. In my opinion, y'all let me know if we concur. It's this EN, so I want to see it come up here, and then I want to see it drop.
Yo, why you love this EN, EG, EN? I'm surprised you ain't looking no damn chef pairs. That used to be your shit.
Oh no, I got the chef. I hated the chef.
Yeah, I cannot stand the chef because the chef don't be cooking up nothing except red. Like you be in red a real long time before you get blue. I hate it, but when you get blue, chef do deliver. But I hate anything chef. Ooh, y'all can kiss that Swiss franc goodbye. I'm
Yeah,
good.
shout out to Woods. He made me hate it from the jump. He said chef stands for
Currency has failed.
Currency has failed.
Right.
But now we getting the flag down, right? Well, maybe we got a little down, so it may shoot up before it go down. But I like this zone right here. It did close below these previous, but this would be the next low. But this whole zone right here is it's a pretty, nice support level. If we kind of pull it back, zoom out a little bit. I think it might dig in here, but right now it did close below the previous weekly low. So we got a nice close there. And then it spiked up crazy. So I was just waiting on this trend. We got an alert right here and an alert right here. So if it hit, we'll take a look and see if we can catch a bag, but we're not forcing nothing. But y'all can let me know what y'all think when you get a chance on the end. But overall, it can, of course, it can do it that way.
Let me look at this on the lower time frame.
huge
Right.
gap.
That's EN, right?
Yeah.
Let me look at it on lower time.
And it's a gigantic gap all the way up at like 2.5, 2.06 thousand, I would say. It's a nice gap up in here. Like huge.
EN. Come on.
Let me know what you think. I'm gonna move on to here. Let's see.
Where are you at, EN?
So what I learned is alerts is a mother. Like I love alert because it allows you to trade what you normally would trade and just go about your business. And when alert,
Yeah. Alarm, my best friend.
yes. That way you ain't gotta be looking at this shit all day long. Unless it's your baby like Cookie and AJ.
Yeah, that's my baby.
This did not do what I wanted it to do. Ooh, that was nice. Look at that. It broke right here and then took off.
Okay.
Gee.
You looking to sell, EN?
No, I'm looking to catch a play. So
okay.
I'm not really.
Let me start from here. Okay.
I just market gives me.
So this is what I'm gonna say about EN, right? It's looking. Right now I'm on a monthly. It's looking bullish. It's looking bullish because the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA are getting really close to crossing to the upside. So on the 3-month chart, it looked like a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. The when price dipped all the way down to 1.4008, that was the top of the head. And then it consolidated and it had like a little zone in the 1.5 area, which was also still the head. The shoulders, I gotta call my cousin back. Hold on. I'll call you back. There we go. I see an order block here on the 3-month at 1.72. Prices at 1.76. So that continued to buy. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
and
I'm
on the 3-month too.
Huh?
Bullish and golf is on it. It's been
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. They got a few bullish engulfings on the 3-month. Yeah, on the monthly. So I got a buy stop. Hold on. I see a buy stop on the monthly that's about to activate. And it might activate during Asian. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just want to make sure this is a good BBL, and it is. Like this. This is swing because I'm marking it on the monthly. Come on, baby.
Yeah, I think we can catch it at least back up here. That's what
All
we
right,
was looking.
so I have a buy stop. I'm gonna put an alert at 1.89481 for a buy stop. I'm gonna go on this lower time frame to see if I can find an earlier entry. But
Yeah, 0.894.
Yeah, 1.89481 is where I'm gonna put this alert.
All the way up here?
Yep. That's
you
when it's gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna find a closer entry on the lower time frames, but this is on the monthly. It's a swing.
no,
It keeps sticking out. So yeah, right there.
1.84 or 1.8 what?
1.89481. Let's put it in.
0.89481.
Swim label as swing buy stop.
1.89481. I'm setting alert too. 1.894.
You're looking for buys?
Yep.
You said 1.894 what?
89481. That BBL looked too good. The thighs matching everything on the monthly.
The thigh.
Yeah, that should look dumb good. Now I'm on the weekly. There's another BBL on weekly. Dang. Yeah, she just getting sexy and sexier. She keep going back to DR.
I'm gonna wait on a pullback then and see if I can get in on a pullback early. See if we can get in down here somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for in the lower time frames right now to see if we can get a closer entry, you know.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Let me see, I'm gonna go to the 5-day. I just want to make sure that price is above the 50 on all the time frames. And so far, yes. Price is above the 50 on the 3-month, on the 1-month, on the weekly, on the 5-day, on the 3-day, on the daily. It's right below the 50, but the EMAs look like the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA look like they're about to cross up and above each other. So that's a buy. Mustard and ketchup literally just crossed up and above at the end of Friday. So it's going to continue to push up. 4 hour, let me see. On the 4-hour, price is above the 50. It's going to buy. It's going to buy. And as a matter of fact, on the 4-hour, it looked like water and mayo are about to kiss. Like they literally right there. Let me go to hold on. On the 3-hour, price is above the 50 by like a hair. On the 2-hour, price is below the 50. That shit gonna come up. On the 1-hour, price is below the 50.
You
but
look at all these Forex pairs.
Yeah.
Monthly, they're consolidating.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like mayo and blueberry about to cross on the 1-hour to the upside. Yeah, so it's looking bullish. EN is looking bullish to me.
Bet.
Yeah. Right now, so I'm on the 15 minute time frame looking at EN, and where price is at right now, it's rejecting the 800 EMA blueberry. So it's rejecting blueberry, and I think it's gonna buy up once Asian come, because price is above the 50 EMA on the 5-minute, the 3-minute, and the 1-minute. So now let me go on a 15-minute and look for a buy entry. Hold on. That's closer to the one that we just saw on the 3-month and the monthly. What's this BBL looking like? Looking like a snizzard.
I'll let his name.
She looking good though. She looking good.
I'm gonna check the markups right now, Jay.
Okay. Boom. All right. So I have an entry for the buy. And it's another buy stop on the 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna set an alert for 1.76763. That's another buy stop. It's a nice BBL too. 1.76763.
Oh, it's right above.
Yep. This is, I'm gonna put it scalp, scalp stuff. Oh. Yeah. Boom. That's the entry.
Bet.
Yeah, that is the entry right there. So yeah, there's a buy stop at 1.76763 for EN. I'm actually going to enter that into my pending orders. And then I'll send the markup in the chat.
Right there. 1.76763.
Yeah.
1.76763. Yep. Okay, that. If it come down here, though, I'm gonna buy it in any one of these areas.
Yeah, if it go down a little bit more, I would buy it. I would strongly suggest to buy only because them EMAs on the higher time frames, when they cross, they do a big push up. Especially whenever it's the 50 crossing the 200 or the 50 crossing the 800 on the higher time frames. It's good money. I'm gonna set my alert for right there because this ain't my pair. But if y'all get in earlier, shout out to y'all. I'm almost done marking it up, y'all.
All right, man. I sent mine too. Let me see what Jay just sent to the chat. That's what I have. Let's see.
I just don't like it. It's been consolidating. So I gotta get a break.
Yeah.
I gotta get a break first and see the real move before I get in. Cause that shit look ugly.
It do look ugly.
If you look at the week, like weekly, monthly, fucking 3 months.
Yeah, I looked it
6
over there.
months, that shit look ugly. Ugly.
That.
So in this
That's how I feel about P.I.P'N's pairs. These be P.I.P'N's pairs, bro. These be his pairs, man. I'm like, why he trading this shit?
I'm just waiting on the alert to go off. I'm looking for a bag. Oh, we need this up here. This thing did not break that trend at all. If I get this other shoulder, that would be nice. This is now GBP CAD. For everybody.
Oh my God, another pair that I do not trade. Why do you like these pairs?
The only pair I really like is US 30 Gold, and then I have another Forex pair that I like. I'm just trading what the market give me, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and I'm gonna send you my, because remember those stats was only 2 months in. I'm gonna send you my buy and sell percentage.
But you need to ditch 30 and
you done it done switched up now that we
just trade my zone.
We hurt his feelings, so now he had to get more buys in.
Right. He was like, nah, I gotta get more buys than that, man.
Mr. Alvarez has something to say while y'all bashing me.
Yes. I say you need to ditch 30 and marry Nas.
Exactly. Nas is where it's at.
Yeah, I like Nas.
30. Nas is my baby.
Well, I love y'all.
Nas Nas been eating up all that inflation or whatever he's been doing. All I know is that motherfucker was buying, and I was in it by accident.
Beast.
I was like, oh shit. I was in Nas by accident on my CoinEx account. I had a 0.03. I looked at that shit. I closed that shit immediately because it was at an all-time high. I said, oh no, you're not gonna drop on me. That shit kept going. I was like, I kind of wish I was in it still.
Facts.
Yeah, Nas, so Nvidia shot the fuck up. It was a bunch of like key tech stocks that shot the fuck up this past week. But yeah, you need to marry Nas because US 30 been on some bullshit.
She's been left behind.
Yeah.
Left behind.
US 30's caught up in the presidential debates.
Mm-hmm.
They have been awful.
Mm-hmm.
They've been a joke.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for Joe Biden to like just turn it over to Kamala or something. Like just something. Just you gotta do something.
Yeah, I mean, he looked weak and feeble during the debate.
He looked like somebody's grandfather, like pre-dementia.
Mm-hmm. It looked like he forgot to take his meds before he took them.
But I was saying to my homegirl, I said, this is how you know Donald Trump was not running the country when he was the president. Because every man that has sat in that chair in that office, you have seen them age. Look at Bill Clinton, aged. Look at George Bush, aged. Look at Barack Obama. He came in there with a dark season and left with more salt than pepper. And and then look at Joe Biden. Joe Biden wasn't like this when he first got in office, and this happened over time. But Donald Trump was in office for 4 years, and he got more Botox. He got a better wig. His spray tans were still popping, and nothing was wrong.
Wait, first of all, his spray tans were never popping.
His spray tan was never.
No. The spray tans look better than the spray tans that he got before when he got in office. That's what I'm saying. No, he always looked like Agent Orange. What I'm saying is the quality is a whole lot better now.
Wait,
where he's going now, they putting a little bit more bronzer in the orange.
Wait. What orange was that?
Huh?
What type of orange was that?
Agent Orange.
She said Agent Orange.
Is that a real color? This nigga's
These niggas said is that a real color is crazy.
Oh my God. She said, you funny, bro. Oh Lord Jesus. This Negro is hilarious. To a new place because analysis be fucking crazy, sis. That's hilarious. Oh my God.
All right, I'm about to send the screenshot.
Oh, this Negro here. This Negro here.
I'm gonna send it.
I'm like,
all right, I'm gonna send it here. I'm gonna send it in the Telegram chat.
I think US 30 gonna fall out the sky eventually.
Yeah.
Because what's about to happen? Did y'all hear about that one lady talk about the one law that they passed? Basically, if you're president, you do anything.
You're immune to it's some bullshit.
Wait, what is it? If you're president and you commit a crime?
Yeah, while in office or even after, you're immune.
They basically saying it's king status or whatever.
Yeah, basically, it's not a democracy anymore. Basically.
So they're saying they're about to excuse Trump for even though he was found guilty.
They're trying to excuse him so he can still run and win and it's. But then the thing is, if that's the case, then on those job applications, all them convicted felons don't have to reveal that they was convicted felons.
Yeah. Okay, man. You sent this to the signal chat too?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you.
I
Yeah, that's
did.
all right. So BTC went crazy. I really like this zone, but I want to see
Did it sold crazy or
what that
bought
shit.
crazy?
Drop,
It hit
drop,
54.
drop.
Oh my God. So remember that markup that I did?
I know, cause you've been selling since 70, 71.
And I said it was gonna hit 53. Yeah. Wow. I wish I was in it. I wasn't in it. But I called it. But I wasn't.
Get off of it.
Where's this yellow line you got? I see it going there for sure.
I know this. I
Oh, this
like
the
that.
monthly?
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay, I
hold
ain't gonna
on.
lie. I don't care if it hits like 45, like, but I'm ready for the bull run to start. Like, and it probably won't start until after the election next year. But
But we do have low key a break and retest here. We got this structure, this whole zone right here. So it's like it could
so it's in
this.
the first fair value gap area, right? Off
Yeah,
of that last push up.
yeah,
So if it breaks that green line, you got what at 52.3 something.
yeah. I like this area though, like with the same area what you
Okay.
talk, I like all this right here. All of it.
Yeah, I just don't want it to do that. I mean, it can do it. I'm just ready for the
I'm
bull
glad you
run.
said you don't want it to do that.
Yeah, I'm just ready for it to like take off
I
this
am.
side.
I'm ready for it to like buy, but I don't think it's gonna OD buy until this presidential election is done. Like,
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see like 100K Bitcoin until like 2025.
yeah, yeah, agreed.
But to be honest, if we just look at this thing, it's really doing like I know it never hit 12 like we wanted to, which is scary to me. But this is a break. This area right here, this is what I would like to see.
Yeah, I see it going there.
Yeah, yeah.
45 first, then 33 areas. So you want it to take.
So I'm gonna show. I'm gonna tell y'all what my
Touch
five.
33, then 100K.
33, 33.
I would love for it to go down there, but I don't think it's gonna go all the way down there. I see it going to 52,
I'm mad at 30. Yeah.
52,733.51. But I'm not mad at that.
Yeah, no,
I
I'm not
really,
mad at that.
if I'm
I'm
being
just gonna
honest,
take
I
it.
really wanted to just go back down to 16 or 13, like for
I don't
real.
I don't think big. I like this area. All those areas I'm talking about is definitely some nice areas. But
Yeah.
we got to think as far as like what they
The thing
might.
that worries me is we had the happening and it's not like buying yet.
It didn't happen.
And what?
It didn't happen. It didn't do
Yeah, the happening wasn't
It
happening.
didn't.
having. It
It,
wasn't happening. It
Josh
dropped.
said
look,
zero.
the
Josh, you better
happening
get out
wasn't
of here.
happening.
Bitcoin better not go to zero. I'm gonna be SOL. Because if Bitcoin goes to
Bitcoin
zero,
ain't going to zero.
it's gonna take all the coins with it.
Bitcoin ain't going to zero because at this point, I feel like Bitcoin is going to be a safe haven
Yeah,
currency like how gold is.
and
Yeah,
as far
some well bought like 3,000 Bitcoins yesterday or the other day.
damn, that's a
Damn.
bet.
Yeah.
Word.
It might. I mean, knowing Bitcoin, how it be moving, that shit might do this. Yeah, and just take
I'm
off.
dead at the yeah.
It might do that in one day. Clear out everybody bag and then go to the moon.
I'm
Yo,
still
it could
sad
too.
when Bitcoin was like 3,000 and I was like, oh, I'll wait for it to come down to like 17 and I'll buy one. And that hope just never came back.
Yeah.
Like I've been in this game so long that I saw Bitcoin at 3,000 and did nothing about it.
Yo, that's crazy.
It's the opportunity.
Left.
Yeah.
Look, it ain't too, what's Chucky? It ain't too late for XRP.
Get this heifer to buy up.
Oh, XRP.
I mean, XRP is not doing like the fact that it's still where it was in 2017, 18, that worries me.
hmm Well, remember that was because it had that lawsuit. Now that it's over,
They gotta come
Yeah,
make it.
so now the lawsuit is over. Like, why isn't it higher?
because of the elections, the shit that's going on with news right now,
I got
the
a lot
wars.
for the 3.
You got better luck buying Trump coin than you do with XRP
Not
right
Trump coin. That's
This
wild.
Come on, don't hate on the
is great.
XRP.
Oh my God.
now. Trump coin
Wow.
went like 50% yesterday.
Come on.
I almost
Wait,
bought it. I just can't
oh,
despise. I despise men so much I couldn't.
do
Trump
he?
coin, I could never.
But did he create it or did one of his comrades,
Minions created.
I mean,
minions?
I don't know who created it, but I know it's buzzing.
Yeah, I'm not buying that shit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it.
I'm gonna
I
let
ain't
the
gonna
MAGA
stoop that
people
low.
buy that shit. It's not for me. It's
Not for
just
me.
certain things that I'm not with, and that's one of them. Fuck out of
Yeah.
here. Trump coin. Y'all saw what happened to Trump University. Shit.
Well, I didn't even know Trump University.
Exactly. See? Look at that. He definitely had a university and it went
XR,
bankrupt.
XRP bouncing off of this monthly
Well,
is on
anything he touches goes bankrupt.
if they
Yeah,
get.
I'm with you.
I think that might give it something. All right, then we gonna move on to. I think I would like to say. Where's my cover?
Can we look at oil?
Yep,
I have been trading oil low key to like
Has
I've
it?
been
Have you
scalping
been selling
oil
it?
in between breaks
Oil
at
on the
work.
rise.
Yo, oil, I sold that shit, bought that shit, sold it again, and then bought it, and it's been on this wave. It
Yeah,
pulled
like
back. It hit my TP. I had a TP of like 84.3 and it went past it.
I think oil won't like really buy up until after the election because we're kind of stagnant right now. There's no new rigs. There's like the company I'm with, we have the same amount of work uh for from last year compared to this year, and our like I guess our profit is still kind of lower than expected. So I mean, and that's most companies, right? Like the work is there, but they're making less money. So I don't
Okay.
see it. I don't see anything like moving too much until like after the election, or we may get a sale until the election to buy.
Yeah, I do
I'm
see
getting
it
ready to
on
see
90.
because I see sales right now. I
Mm,
did like I said, I bought it. I bought it this week, but I see sales right now with oil. I just looked at it. Let me look at it again. Yeah, I'm on the daily, and so where it spiked up on Friday, um, I kind of wish I would have sold it because it's gonna sell down. Because I'm looking at the structure of the market for oil, and the highest that was February in 2022, not the highest, but the highest in the past couple of years. That point was up here.
Oh yeah, I like that, Josh. So you
What
see it selling
what
too?
did what did what did Josh put?
He put it in the chat. I think he was
Okay.
trying to talk, but
but y'all talking over him. It's right here at the top.
whoa.
Whoa, watch out. Nobody heard his
First of all,
voice.
I
Don't be
wasn't.
don't be
But
don't,
secondly, that's why I co-signed because I saw his post and I'm letting him know like appreciate you.
this is his,
Right.
this is off the daily time frame. You want to see it come down to about what's that, about 80, 81, 82.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Even 79.
And that is 79. He also got some imbalance right here, like 77, 76.
Yeah. I see what you see, bro.
Let's pull it up.
Yeah, that means at the beginning of Asian, I'm gonna sell that bitch. Cause it had a peak on Friday, and then it's like, it's gonna fall.
I think this monthly is bullish, so but it might come dig down up in there. Oh, I go weekly.
Yeah, I was gonna say, look at the daily because you'll see it for real, for real.
Yeah, I'm gonna get there right after this weekly.
Now, what you boxing up? What do you see that I don't see?
I'm just boxing up this weekly bullish engulfing.
Why? Tell the people why you boxing it up.
Because this is one of my biggest confirmations. We on the
For
call.
a seller, confirmation for a seller or buy.
Hop on. All right. Well, really depends. I don't like this one because it closed above this candle. So this zone is irrelevant, right? So it broke. Of course, we want to see it continue. So we're just gonna keep busting it down to a smaller time frame. But on a daily, it didn't break this high or this one. So now I'm looking at the high after I mark up the engulfings that I like. But I also seen on the weekly right here, this was a zone as well. But once we got into it, now I start seeing other stuff that I like this area, or I like this area here.
Why do you like it?
Because it's another bullish engulfing zone. Like that's what I'm looking for. Once I see it on a bigger time frame, I'm looking for the same thing on a smaller time. That's it. Boom. So now this is a nice zone. If we just look at market structure, we got this block right here. That's it was a nice support and resistance level. It's kind of respecting that after it broke through. We got respect for what's that, a week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. And then it bought up. So if it comes back down here, it would be nice. I would love this zone right here though.
So what I'm asking you, because you're recording this for YouTube, right? What I'm asking you is you're boxing up your engulfing zones. Are you looking for potential sells?
Well, no, because on the weekly, it already closed above this previous weekly. So now wait on pullbacks for buys, just based off of that. Just based off. Now, if it pulls, all these green zones will be my buy zones with proper risk to reward off this daily. And I'm gonna do the same thing on all the way down to the smallest time.
Which box is the one that Josh drew up? That's what I agree with.
Let me see. Let me check out Josh setup. Is that it?
Yeah. So he's saying like 80 to 78 area and possibly 76, 74?
So basically 80 to 76, 74. 80 to 75, we'll say 80 to 75. So this is 80 to 70. 80 to 75 is here.
Yeah.
74. So it's basically the same. Those are like my green zones is all buy areas. So that's this the zone he's looking for as well.
Yeah, like I think we can see the sell just because how everything's kind of stagnant right now. And with the election, I think depending on who wins, it's probably will skyrocket.
Yeah.
I definitely want to see a sell back into one of these zones, either this one, or this one. Any one of these zones.
So it's usually lower when a Democrat is in office.
Right.
Did my boy?
Why is that? Because I've noticed that. Why is that?
Well, Democrats, they don't support. They're more green energy versus like.
No, I know, but I'm just trying to figure out why is it that the price of oil always shoots sky high when a Republican is in office?
I would say like the benefits oil companies can get when Republicans are in office.
All right.
Like a lot of them have shares in companies that are in the oil field.
Okay.
At least a lot of Texas Republicans do.
Now, what I will do, Cookie, is I'll take this short off of this 4 hour to see if we can catch it back down to the zones we like.
Mm-hmm.
I would shoot my shot on this. You know what I'm saying? But also, I also want to introduce y'all to my boy, the one, the only, Mr. C Macaroni. What's up, C Macaroni? How you feeling today, player?
Yo, what it do? What it
Chucky!
What's good, Chuck?
Oh man, not much.
Hi, Chucky.
How we feeling?
Good.
How we living?
Feeling great. I miss you.
Oh, miss you too.
That's what's
Yo,
up.
call me no more.
Y'all miss you, brother.
This motherfucker got a restaurant and don't call nobody no more.
You feel
wow.
me?
I gotta book an appointment or wait till homecoming. That's crazy.
Oh, he got a restaurant?
Yeah, he got a vegan joint in
Oh,
South
shit.
Carolina.
At Atlanta?
You looking good. Your skin is popping. Look, he even got his camera off. This is Hollywood, y'all. Nigga changed his name to Mac. Look, I'm so.
You see,
You got a restaurant? You got a restaurant at Atlanta?
Yeah, it's 3 of us. I'm one of the investors.
I'm about to go check it out.
Yeah, open up a plant-based joint. It's in South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina.
Oh, that's an hour away, bro.
Yep. Okay.
I'll link up.
Say less.
That's tight.
Look at Chucky.
Stuff,
Chucky got his screen on so we can see him. His skin is glistening like sexy red. He got on his sunglasses.
Not sexy red.
Yeah,
Oh,
get it sexy. Get it sexy.
Oh, Lord. Lord have mercy. I'm just drinking my water, minding my business.
My water, minding my business. Y'all, if y'all
was talking about XRP, you came in right after the conversation.
Hey, I got my alert set up on the chat. Anytime anybody mentions XRP, I can just come in there throwing trash.
Nigga, so ignorant.
I can't.
Yeah, y'all been buying XRP. Y'all been catching that bitch from the top.
from the top is crazy.
From the top. You better get some more XRP.
He said from the top.
It's gonna bounce any moment.
This thing is crazy.
That shit gonna bounce like a wet paper towel.
Wet paper towel.
Right, not a wet paper towel.
That sound just went in my head like
right.
That.
Me too.
Oh man.
Okay.
It's over. Just go ahead and just get like me and Jason, man. Just type, just jazz me, man.
I feel like I missed a bus on that one.
Yeah, it was up 17%. It was up 17% the other day. Then it came down 5% today. But eventually, I think it's gonna go back. It's gonna go back up. It's just recovering, just like everything else, due to the Germans selling Bitcoin, and then Mt. Gox distributed all their stolen Bitcoin back at like 54K or something like that. So whole market took a dump, especially with the holiday as well. So
At 83.91, great area.
So anyway, but if we do get another drop, I think 48K will probably be the lowest we go, and then we start short squeezing people there, because that's what people are going to start calling for 30K Bitcoin.
Okay.
But we're back to the upside once we regain 64.5. In my humble opinion.
Okay. And we respect your humble opinion.
Indeed. Hey,
Yeah.
I see a young boy. That boy grown up fast.
Uh-oh. Y'all ready? Y'all got y'all bulletproof vests on?
Oh God.
Y'all got y'all bulletproof.
Cookie. Now, your son.
Talking about
Oh, you
homie.
talking about Malachi?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I can't. 17, man. 17. I can't believe I had that kid 17 years ago. I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. Yep, he's looking for. So he's switching his. So he wanted to do finance, right? And I feel like that had a lot to do because I'm teaching him how to trade. But he just recently told me that he's thinking about studying medicine. He might want to be a doctor. I was telling him how important that is because there's not a lot of Black doctors, and I said that would be dope if he decides to do that. So,
If he got the liking to it, if he got the liking to it, so
he's considering it. But I actually like him considering it because I kind of want to push him to go back to Atlanta. I want him to study medicine at Emory or even Morehouse School of Medicine, whatever. Like, I just want him to, he doesn't know Atlanta. He only knows New York. He was born there, but he don't know Atlanta. Look, Malachi only lived in Atlanta for like 4 months.
Wow.
And then been to homecoming twice. So
there should be some STEM scholarships.
Yeah, so he's like really looking into it because Malachi had AP classes in physics, and he was really good in anatomy. So that's what made him decide that. Because I'm like, what made you change? And he was like, well, I'm really good in science. He said, I'm good in math too, but I'm really good in science. He said, I really enjoyed anatomy, like studying anatomy, and I think I want to do it. I said, all right, King, whatever you decide to do.
He loves to interact with people.
Oh yeah, my son got the gift of gab. So the principal at his school calls him the mayor because Malachi knows everybody at that school, like all the way down to the janitor. I remember one time he left his rugby cleats in the locker, and he wanted to bring them home.
Your son plays rugby?
Yeah, my son plays rugby.
No way! I played rugby in college.
Really? Oh snap! Yeah, Malachi played rugby and he loves it. He does football, wrestling, and rugby.
Yeah, because at one point we thought Malachi was soft as baby cotton.
Yep, Malachi don't play that, honey.
Right.
Malachi do not play, and he's serious about wrestling too. He loves that shit. As a matter of fact, he got wrestling camp in a couple of weeks. Yeah, he's doing this thing. I'm very proud of this little boy.
Hey, he ain't little no more.
I know he's. When we walk outside, they think we're brother and sister. And they think he's my older brother. It's wild.
Older.
Yeah, like I'm like, what?
Cookie, calm down.
And his mustache is growing in thicker. Like it was a little shadow before, but now he got like hair growing in for real. And he got a little chin hair coming in. I'm like, boy.
I'm gonna have to call Cap when they think you younger. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to call.
Wow. Yeah. It's the shade for me.
I'm gonna have to call Cap.
It's the shade for me, but yeah, we got that this past weekend for Malachi's birthday party. It could have been the hairstyle. I definitely was looking like somebody's 1990 something. I had on my door knockers with the name in the middle. I had a side ponytail. I had on my Air Maxes. I was looking like one of the kids.
One of the ones?
Yeah. We did go-kart racing for his birthday. Had fun with that. We had a time. Not Pete coming for me. That. Right. They definitely thought he was my older brother.
Whoa. Everybody calm down. Everyone calm down. It's probably under the we put the air mattress in this in the living room.
You had it.
I think it's under the air mattress, because from moving it back, maybe it's in there. I blew it up last night because y'all was hogging the couch.
Oh, really? And I was asleep.
My baby, I'll be back.
Yeah. I like the sell zones that he's marking up for oil. Shout out to me and Jay Alvarez for that.
It's a team. You always that. I guess I done messed up coming for your age, because I know damn ain't no way. What? Send me a picture like that day. I want to see it.
You want to see a picture of us that day? Okay.
I don't care what you had on. Don't nothing like they look at you in your eyes. They gonna know your name.
I'm dead.
Come on now, sister. Okay, I can go for sister. Younger, come on, man.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
Come on. Are you? Hey, what? Now you do look great for your age. Don't get me wrong.
Thank you,
Charles. You sent this gift with the wink.
I'm fucking dead. I can't.
That was me. That was me.
With the XRP. That's crazy.
Hey, the only people that are in profit on XRP buys are people that bought before 2017.
Oh, so basically, Kurt.
Right.
Damn.
Everybody else that bought after 2017 are at a loss.
Chucky, do you still hold any B&B?
Yeah, actually, yeah, I do.
Did you hear something about like they're switching the smart chain on it?
No, I haven't heard that.
Let me see if I can find it.
Let me know.
Slacking Mac. You're supposed to know.
I know.
It's fucking with you.
I think it's a restaurant and this job. Shoot. Go to a restaurant from 12 to 4.
And now your extracurricular activities.
Man, I ain't had time. My only extracurricular activities was Chicago.
Chicago, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that was like 5 weeks ago.
Oh, you need to turn up every week. Once a month is good, brother.
Yeah.
I seen you twerking in the back of the vegan shop on IG.
Man, I don't know what you talking about. Hey, not everybody can be in South Africa every other day like you, man.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I should have bought a restaurant.
My brother PIP'N, welcome.
You stupid.
Welcome home, my albino brother. Welcome.
My albino brother.
You have hair like black people. How?
My albino brother just took me the fuck out.
That was a good one.
My vanilla wafer. How are you, brother? You're so pure. You're so pure today, brother.
Oh shit! They go cooking. This is cooking. Oh my god.
Yo, bro, he was waiting for that one, man.
Yes. Right. Ivory Coast ass nigga. Literally Ivory. Oh my god.
He is vanilla extract in the ice cream shop. Only one flavor.
Only one flavor.
Cooking. This boy on fire.
Oh, shit.
Right. You ain't the extra shit though. That was a little extra cookie. Like I ain't appreciate that at all. I was talk to my kid, like he cooking. You could have just let him cook, but then you had
you lighter than me, bro. I had to. I never get these opportunities.
The African sun got a little dark on me. I got a little shade darker. You feel me? All right, let's look. Now that we got the jokes out, shout out to We appreciate your energy, brother. You have been missed.
Oh my God, that's hilarious.
You have been missed, just like your love life, just missed, just somewhere.
Oh, damn.
Oh, he snuck that in there. Oh.
Let's go. Y'all thought I was gonna fall down? Oh no, we came up.
Right. We thought you was gonna fall down and try to grab the tablecloth with you.
Oh yeah. So that was nice. That was nice.
Yeah, man went out swinging.
I had to.
Child, that's too funny.
You had me on the mat, baby. I was on the mat. Hey, you funny, Chuck. That was a good one, though. I think we're gonna see 2,400, man. I want to see a sale.
Yeah, my baby. Look at my baby.
I want to see a sale around 2,400. That would be very, very, very nice.
Hey, did that boy hold his trade? Y'all know? Who was on the call that night?
I know who you talking about, and I don't know. You gotta ask PIP'N. Do you know?
I'm not sure. You talking about Christian though?
I don't know. It was all of them was new to me. I don't know.
Yeah, you talking about Josh said, I don't know them niggas.
Right, them new niggas. You right, bro. Talk your shit, bro. Those the new niggas. You right.
The niggas, man. We got 20.
Disrespect. They the new niggas though. You right.
We got 24 candles in this, I mean 24 days left in this candle, and it's super bullish. Y'all think it's gonna close like this?
She's gonna take them wicks out.
It is. They're gonna definitely take the wicks out.
It's the monthly high.
I'm only sad that I didn't buy it, but I also wasn't really paying attention to gold like that. But I also knew that it was gonna do that. As a matter of fact, I'm about to pick a fight with PIP'N, cause not for nothing. A month ago, PIP'N said, "Nah, sis, it's just gonna fall. It's just gonna keep falling." And what it do?
Oh my goodness.
What it do? It respected that 22.95 area and it bought the fuck up. Like I said, it was gonna buy.
Listen, gold is my baby. I like she a thought, she for the streets, but when she with me, you feel me? I just let it. I really, you right though. I did say that, but I still want it to drop. I still want it to.
Not gonna drop yet. She gonna drop eventually.
Something's gotta happen for her to drop.
But don't act like don't act like I haven't been like we haven't been trading this. Now, come on now. We've been trading this together.
Of course.
Don't act, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like you wanna let's not get pull out some stats around here, you know what I mean? So go. I feel you though. I really want to.
Don't be talking about stats when you would have Mr. Sell it, right?
Okay.
Because the last time I checked, we all been talking about buys and you screaming from the mountaintop for sell. Just because you looked at your stats and you said, you know what, let me get on this buy train real quick. That just happened yesterday. You acting like you've been buying. You always looking for sells, sending that yellow cab meme in the chat, letting us know your stop loss got hit while we still.
First of all, you ain't seen that yellow cab meme in a while. It got
right because you finally decided to buy with us.
Oh my God! Right. My Lord Jesus, help me, please.
You said, you know what? I'm gonna keep getting you said if I keep selling this bitch, I'm gonna end up broke. And Cookie said she didn't want none of her friends to be broke. She wanted them to be rich like her. So you just listen like everybody else. Like you was on the same page as everybody else now, but you was behind a few chapters.
No, I'm still looking for the sale. I don't want it to take out. Still looking for sales. I'm still looking for sales. I don't care what you talk about.
But what it's doing right now?
She might pull back 2360.
That's a pullback, right? That's just a pullback.
That's what she's doing right now, pulling back.
You want her to sell.
Look, what is going on down here? I don't care what. Like, eventually, we like, look at this. This is crazy. We can't retest. We can't retest 21. Like, what is going on? We can't hit this. Like,
they did it already. What
They
you
did
mean?
it.
no,
The
no, no.
the
Okay.
retesting
All
of the
right.
21 happened.
Where? Tell me where you see it. This is a break. That is a break. That is not a retest or anything. This is a retest off of this break. Now we got the break here and the retest and the continuation. See, we got this break right here. This is a break.
What time frame are you on? Why can't I see it?
The week.
You're on the weekly.
Yeah. Now this is a break. We got the close above, right? That was the break. Boom. Shot up, retest, took off. Right? That's what it looked like to me. We had a little bit of some type of structure here for a couple weeks and then it broke again. I'm just saying, why this thing, it can't do this.
What do you mean it can't?
It can't.
Why not?
This is what I'm saying. Look at this shit. Like, do you see what's going on? We got so many zones down here. We got gaps down here. We got so much going on. Not to say that go
on the what you call it? You on the weekly. Go on the monthly.
Okay. It was just there.
Okay.
Now that's even better. It's even cleaner. Where's the retest off this break? Tell me where it's at.
That point where it consolidated.
Look at it.
Remember, all the way to the left, you didn't think it was going to go above that. And look at where price is now.
I did think it was going to go above when this candle closed. After this, we got this close above. That's an indication. We're looking for a pullback for the. That's all I'm saying. I'm just saying this area here. This area here help me. Like, what is going on? Something has to happen. That's all.
Yeah, news, war, election, the U.S. So, what I did read, because I wasn't paying attention to news for like a month now, but what I did read was based on the numbers from last month's unemployment and this month's unemployment. I'm sorry, not unemployment, employment with in the private sector. There were 165,000 less jobs available than last month. You heard that?
You talking to?
You, 165,000 less jobs in just the private sector.
That's crazy.
That means 165,000 less people are working.
Well, I get the number.
But understand the DXY versus gold. If those numbers go down, gold gonna go up, right?
No, I feel what you're saying.
So that's why. Like, you wondering why? That's why. That is why, honey.
Thank you, darling. Much obliged. Much obliged. Until it break this high, that's just what it is what it is. I feel you though, and you're absolutely correct. I don't want to act like you ain't right. It makes sense. It makes sense, man. It makes sense.
And it's not a lot of people working. So basically what this government got to do is got to get more people working because the more money we make, the more money we spend. It's also why inflation is going to also come down. They're going to cut rates. If they don't cut it next month, they're going to cut it right before back to school.
Tell me what that's going to do for
Oh yeah, they're definitely going to cut rates. But the Fed, they want more unemployment.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want
the Feds want more unemployment. So yeah, they're probably going to cut rates
Because they want a middle class. They want you to either be up or broke as hell.
Yep. But see, what the thing with that is, they're going to soon realize is that the middle class is what keeps the economy going.
I mean, I think they know that.
They have to know that.
Yeah.
The middle class is what keeps the economy going. If you had just have rich and poor, America, anybody can run America. I mean, anybody. And when I say run America, I don't mean like be in charge of America. I mean run America out of its superpower, because we're still the superpower of the world, right? Let a bunch of them brown motherfuckers band up. Let a bunch of them motherfuckers over there that's melanated band up together and see what happens. Go ahead, see what happens. America playing. They call it standing on business. They playing in our face. Cause all them African countries that's ran by them young African niggas, they watch. Just watch. I can't wait. Look, I'm going to Ghana and I'm picking out a plot of land, honey, because they from what I hear about the talks that's going on over there, they getting together.
Oh, you're gonna love Ghana.
And some of them thinking about trying to save Haiti.
You're gonna love Ghana.
I heard it's pretty cheap to build a house over there.
Yeah, my cousin bought a plot of land and got acres for way less than what we would spend here.
Oh, absolutely.
Way less.
My homegirl got a like supreme condo over there, and all she pays is like $800 a year.
That's wild. Yeah.
A year?
A year, yeah. Girl.
Yeah.
My cousin has acres. I think she said 4 acres of land, only for $100K. You can't even buy a house in New York for $100K. You can't even get a condominium for $100K in New York.
Oh, yo, Cookie, if you do go to Ghana, say my homegirl, she when she came back to the United States for visiting Ghana, she was over there for like a month and a half. She came back, she started crying because she was back in the United States because she had to be tough again.
Right.
She had to be strong again. She was like, when she was over in Ghana, like she had like they wouldn't even allow her to have any ounce of masculinity energy ever. Like they're like, nah, you're a woman.
Yeah, you think I want to be this fucking tough, nigga? Shit.
No, right? She was like,
I don't want to be like this.
Like she was like, she couldn't believe it. Like when she came back, she was like, oh my God, I need to be in my feminine energy. Like this doesn't make any sense. Yeah.
They got us fucking acting like Zulu warriors over here for nothing. For basic freedom. They over here, they still selling America on the same bullshit. This is the land of the free and the home of the brave, and you get freedom. Yeah, we might have the freedom to talk back or whatever like that versus in other countries, but that's about it. That's about it. They just made homelessness illegal, and they're the reason why there's homeless people. Like, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. How you gonna make homelessness illegal? No tents. Bitch.
I don't know.
Like, no tents. No tents. How they supposed to protect themselves from rain and wind and snow and sun?
I don't know if they made it illegal, but I think they're accounting for more accountability within the
No, they banned tents. Like, you can't have tents. So that gives police every right to lock up and arrest homeless people. It's damn near illegal to be homeless.
They're gonna arrest you for having a tent.
They're gonna arrest you. Yeah, they're gonna, because
it depends.
So basically, the reason why they did it, right, because of the whole protesting that's going on with Israel. So people are doing the peaceful protesting, and they're setting up tents to be outside all day to, to stand for whatever it is they standing for. And so the federal government decided, you know what, we're gonna cut that shit out. Not realizing you cutting that shit out means the homeless people that also have tents have to get cut the fuck out. So now if you have a tent, you can get arrested.
Right. So they're not really, you're saying indirectly the homeless could be affected.
Right. Right.
But
you know how much you see that shit on Times Square, and like I was in the city or whatever where my job site is at. These niggas is using anything to build shelter. I'm talking shopping carts, like old tabletops from restaurants that they put on the curbside for garbage pickup. They're using that to build shelters in the city. I don't know why people still want to tour New York. It look crazy. Some of them streets in Manhattan look wild. And some of them rich people that live in them high rises in the city, they also don't want these homeless people on their streets. But it's like, where they gonna go? The shelters are full. There's no housing for them. Where are they gonna go? Where?
At this point, we just all need to band together and get us a plot of land somewhere and work together for our own survival.
Right, and build our own little fucking community.
Peter, where your people from? We go to Peter's land.
Right, Peter was there first. Peter was there before all of us. He know where to go.
I was listening to y'all talk. Y'all so funny, but actually, I got folks in Ghana. I got folks in Nigeria and Libya. But my auntie, she just my little cousin, he about to get married to a girl from Ghana, and they moving out there. I think top of the year.
That's smart.
Hell yeah.
That's smart.
Be
a part of the Great Migration. It's already happening. There's mad churches that banded together and bought land, like black churches. They banded together and bought land, and they're already starting growing their own crops and shit like that. Like, man, I'm ready for the new Negro because this shit is ghetto.
Hey, Peter.
What's up, bro?
I might need to advisory on this, but I was thinking about we got
hold on. Did you just ask me for some advice? I just want to get that on the record. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. Might need your family permission for this.
Okay.
But we're trying to put a new burger on the menu, but it's gonna be called the Bernie Mac burger. We got vegan mac and cheese on a Beyond burger with lettuce, tomato, mayo, and aioli sauce. We can call it the Bernie Mac burger. So I just make sure there's no trademark, no infringements going on.
I would say just run the play, and if it blow up, we can talk to them then. Like, what are we doing?
All right.
I mean, let's blow the burger up and then have a meeting.
Okay,
if that's, but yeah, I don't see nothing wrong with it, man. That's in my opinion, that's an honor to be, that y'all would do that. So
indeed.
That sounds cool, man. That's what I'm gonna get when I pull up.
Yeah.
Shout out to Uncle Bernie.
When we go, you know what, man? We was trying to do something, man, but I'm gonna talk to my comrade, see if they want to run the play though. But
all right.
Should we just say something, y'all, and just plan it or what?
It's up to you.
Oh, I was talking to Millie and Cookie.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, because we were supposed to go up there, right?
Well, yeah. Well, we was okay. So just tell them what the plan was.
We was gonna surprise your ass.
Yeah,
that's what the plan was. We was
just gonna roll up and let us in this restaurant.
Remember that day when I was asking you all them fucking questions?
Yeah.
That's why.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, and then Jay stayed an hour away. Oh, we all can meet over there. That'd be tight.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Yeah, I got a lot of vacation days. Just let me know. We can plan it.
Just, I got 11 days left. All them bitches getting used.
I got
So
20
so
days
then you
left
tell
because I
us
haven't
you
used
tell
any.
us when's the best time to come.
All right.
I don't want it to be hot. I want it to just be chill, like 60, 70 degrees.
All right. So we got like another 2
2
months.
months.
That's enough. That's enough time to plan because I'm about to be gone the whole August and early September.
Where you going? Japan, Africa? Where you going?
Oh shit! Here we go. I'm going to Croatia.
Look, there we go.
See? See? Nigga,
Right.
I don't never get. Hey,
Thank
we don't
you,
never
God.
get no invite. We don't get
We
no
don't
invite.
never get the invite to go to Croatia.
I got an invite.
That nigga invited us to Inglewood though.
Right. That part.
Wow. Y'all crazy. I don't believe y'all this. That's crazy. Anyway, we talking about pulling up on you.
All right, yeah, a good 2 months. I have, dang, ooh, that gonna be close to homecoming cookie.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm going down there with my son.
When is homecoming?
October 19th, that weekend.
Damn, if Gold come up here and take this out, that'd be nice. Ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna do 42. Does it look good? Oh no, we can't do that. What just happened? So what? September? Let's go. October? When is your homecoming? What day is that?
Yeah, October. Yeah, homecoming is like October 16th.
October 16th. Oh,
Yeah.
well, let's do before homecoming. Would that work? Let's look at the calendar. Let's look at the calendar. Put my calendar there.
Damn.
Look at this calendar. July, August, September. In the when is the homecoming?
October 16th.
Okay, so 16th October.
That's when you get in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get there on either the 19th, the 18th, or the 19th.
Yeah.
What about the middle of September? Either like the 14th, 15th, or the 21st. Well, maybe we can do a weekday since everybody's taking off. That might be like cheaper to fly and stuff.
It might be. Let me know when though, because
what y'all doing? Y'all doing a y'all getting a hotel downtown, or what y'all doing?
And what you tell us to do? That'll be whatever you tell us to do.
What you telling us to do? Get a hotel, or does it make sense to get Airbnb?
Yeah, I ain't got no room on my spot.
This nigga here.
Y'all ain't gonna be sharing one toilet.
Yo, you so stupid.
So what's the date?
Thinking like the 14th, 15th, or the.
Let's do the week after that because that's back to school time.
Yeah, you're right. So it'll have to be a weekend.
Yeah, that's back to school time.
When you go back to school?
And my son plays sports.
I gotta find I'll know. I'll tell you the weekends I can take off, and then we'll just go from there.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, because I got to check the PTO calendar, and I just gotta make sure I can get off on a weekend. Cause I'll be upset. Y'all come down, and I'm like, I gotta work all weekend.
Right.
Nah, hell no. That's bogus. Why would we do that?
Mm-hmm.
Right. That's what I'm saying. Y'all trying to pop up. My ass like, all right, y'all, get to work. Don't get off work till 1 in the morning.
Nah, brother, no.
Yeah, and in Columbia, 1 in the morning, like stuff be shut down. Ain't nothing open.
Nothing.
Like like it's a city, but it ain't like a real city.
Damn. So you got a
Yeah,
burger,
so,
a vegan spot in the not a real city?
huh?
So you got a vegan spot in not a real city. She says not a
Right.
real.
I
Not
mean,
a,
like it's not like okay. So example in Texas, like Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, there's stuff open at 1 a.m. In Colombia, like stuff shut down at 10, and they close. Like I don't even think they Walmart 24 hours.
nope.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so like that's what I mean. Like the city lights out.
Yeah.
Like the city kind
Yeah,
of shut
and
down.
before, like Colombia used to have some little stuff pop, but COVID killed all that.
Yeah.
COVID killed all that. All of it.
All right, real quick, I'm gonna break this down real quick.
So
what
just be ready. If we want to hit up Charlotte an hour away, be ready to hit up Charlotte.
we gonna do whatever. Hey, it's on you. The itinerary is on you.
Bro, I'm 10 minutes away from Charlotte.
10 minutes.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Where are you?
Huh? I'm in the Lake Norman area, about 10 minutes away from Charlotte.
Okay.
Yeah, Charlotte might have to be the move there.
How far is the burger spot from Charlotte?
I mean, I'll have my chef cook up some stuff and I'll just bring it to Charlotte. That ain't nothing.
Oh, treat me nice then.
Yeah.
All right, that's a bet. So how about everybody just stay at the same hotel in Charlotte? That'll work. Well, he 10 minutes. We're gonna stay at Josh's house then.
Hey, I get a discount on hotels in Charlotte. Let me know.
Oh, fire.
Word.
There it is there.
Are we talking like Marriott's? Like
Yeah, we talking
points? Or are we
nice,
talking about
nice hotels. It's a nice one.
Oh, okay. Hey, Josh, hey, hit me up. Shit, I could have used that today if I ain't canceled on old girl. But
we know, man.
They go that love life. All right, so we got the weekly high right here, the daily high, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour high. So what I would like to see is something like this, a little spike up. Now we probably can catch a buy off a cookie, a buy up to the zone, and then I got these sell zones. So all these areas are sell zones. And as long as it don't break this high, then I'm looking for a short. But this right here is off the 5 minute. It is a bearish engulfing right here on the 5 minute. And this green line is a 1 hour bearish engulfing zone. And this is another 4 hour that got hit already. But it probably might get hit again. Right up in here. Right here. So it got hit already.
I'm gonna slide out. Gotta make these calls.
We appreciate you, man. Let's let's not sleep on that. Let's actually do it, man. I'm down for that.
All right. Yeah. I'll have everything concrete hopefully by Wednesday.
Y'all heard that Wednesday. We got this shit recorded too.
All right.
Okay, that's a bet.
All right, bet.
All right, family. Have a great day.
You too. Peace.
Peace. If y'all want to check my union discount, Rod, he said he got a discount too. Jason,
how y'all getting these discounts?
I love
it. You know, Josh's price might be lower, and then I check my site, and it might be even lower. Who knows?
I ain't mad at no deal. We're gonna try it all out. As soon as this fool Wednesday, we'll throw it in the chat and see what's good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me as well, man. This is what we got. I really want to see gold shoot up. Hopefully we can catch a little pullback and a continuation. But it definitely broke. This nice head and shoulders on this 4 hours. Nice too. Inverted right here. Came down. Shot right through this thing. Broke right there and just never came back.
Everybody, have a blessed Sunday.
You too, bro. Maybe we'll get a pullback down here. But yeah, we're going to see what the market does, what she going to do for us. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm about to shake too, family. Hopefully, Charles send the info, man. That'd be tight to go to South Carolina. We link up. That'd be dope. But yeah, man. Anybody got any questions? Anything? Cookie, you got something to say before we leave? J Millie?
I'm good.
Nah, that's
we trading London tonight?
Cookie, we trade London tonight? Don't get quiet now, because you're on the phone. If we can get this head and shoulder, that'd be nice. Just gonna dig in right here, touch that weekly high, and then we probably sell off that zone too. I'm selling off of every zone. 20 pip stop loss, maybe 30, 40. Something like that. Oh no, I want this right here. Cookie, you gone?
I don't like it.
So we're gonna see what this has to do. But I'm gonna see if I can find a buy entry too. Maybe a little pullback. 100 pips or something. I'll come hit this green zone. That'd be nice. Something like this. And then come up and hit our zones. I'll go ahead and put that on there too. Hmm. Price label. So, let's go 65. Let's do that.
You still marking up gold, Peter?
Man, we just was looking for you, man. You left us hanging like wait.
Oh, I'm sorry. I went upstairs real quick.
We doing London tonight?
We can.
That
I gotta
means
be at work, but we can. I just gotta make sure I take a nap.
well, I'll check with you. I ain't gonna put nothing in stone or nothing. But I'll just check with you around 9 my time and see what's good.
Okay.
That's a bet. Yeah, we're gonna head out. But yeah, this just go. I'm thinking we can catch a buy around 23.65.
I'm with it. I like that.
Take it back up. Maybe sell off this weekly. Get this other 4-hour shoulder over here.
Mm-hmm.
These all sales on. This like a double top right here. It's a 5-minute bearish zone.
Mm-hmm.
The 4 hours on, and this is a 1 hour zone. And this is the weekly zone right here. But these are all the highs. So this is the weekly high, daily high, 4 hour, 1 hour, et cetera, et cetera. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is what we were looking for. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
448 and it's over here. So we can see. Right here. So I got this on right here. So let's do that. Clone you real quick. Oh shit. Shine like that. 13. Let's go 13. At your boy. You mad at your boy? All right, so I'm gonna send this to the chat. Yeah, like that. Let me shade out mine. That's not right. We need to do a different color. Let's do gray. Try to clean it up a little bit. All right, let's send it. Yeah. Seems to chat. Wow. All right, that's a bet, y'all. Oh, for everybody on YouTube, if you still on here, if you made it to the end of this, make sure you go to pimpinandeasy.com, lock in with us, man. Take advantage of the free community. Also, you get access to so many different things. But most importantly, go get this free game right here at this boot camp. Everything's on YouTube. Check it out. It's a lot of good game here, man. Absolutely free. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Have a phenomenal day, family. All right, love y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.
All right.
Peace.
Bye.
Nah.